Hi, second graders. Happy Tuesday. Today for language arts, make sure you log into our second grade Google Meets at 9:30. And then I want you to read again Ye Shen in your book to someone in your house, or it can be a stuffed animal, or you can read it to me on Seesaw. Then you are going to, this Ye Shen story is a fairy tale that's from China. So I want you to research China and find 3 facts. Then you're going to write all 3 facts on a sheet of paper and then draw a picture to go with each fact. So your research links are, you can use Pebble Go and then Brain Pop Junior, Ancient China. Again, you're finding 3 facts. Remember, facts are things that can't be changed. There's your facts and there's your opinions. So if I say, I think China is really cool, that's my opinion because I think it is, but somebody else might not have that same opinion. Remember, facts are things that can't be changed. Then you are going to read to self for 20 minutes. Your optional language arts tasks today are completing a Raz Kids and then taking the comprehension quiz, recording yourself reading a book for Mrs. Mettert on Seesaw, and then completing an opinion writing. It says, write your opinion on a topic. Think about a sport, animal, or store that you like. What are your thoughts on it? Do you like it? Why or why not? Give reasons to support your opinion. So remember to start with a topic sentence. I think that dogs are the best animals in the world. Okay, now I need to give supporting details to support that topic sentence. Dogs are the best animals in the world because they are fun to play with. Dogs like to exercise, so dogs can help keep you healthy too by making sure that you take them out to exercise and you exercise as well. Those are the reasons why I think dogs are the best animals in the world. Okay, so you need a topic sentence, supporting details, why do you think that, and then a closing sentence. All right, have fun today with language arts. Don't forget to log into Google Meets today at 9:30 so we can see you and you can see your friends and Mrs. Mettert and Miss Larson. And we will talk to you later. Bye. Have a great day.